Welcome back to Easy Driver. In part 1 of our tire maintenance guide, we covered crucial information to help you determine when it's time to replace your tires. Now, in part 2, we'll explore tire care in more detail. Don't forget to stay engaged by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to Drive Easy for more essential driving tips. Let's keep rolling safely and smoothly. Longer braking distance. Another indicator of potentially worn-out tires is an increase in braking distance. As tires age and their tread wear down, they become less efficient at gripping the road, particularly during sudden stops or emergency braking situations. This can result in a longer stopping distance, which directly impacts your ability to react quickly and avoid accidents on the road. If you find that your vehicle requires a greater distance to come to a complete stop, despite applying the brakes with the same force as before, it may be a clear sign that your tires are no longer providing the necessary traction. To ensure your safety and the safety of others, it is essential to have your tires inspected and replaced if they are found to be the cause of extended braking distances. Increased road noise. Excessive road noise can be an annoyance, but it can also be an indication that your tires are nearing the end of their lifespan. As the tread on your tires wears down, the amount of contact between the rubber and the road surface decreases. This can lead to an increase in road noise, as there is less material to absorb the vibrations and impacts generated while driving. If you begin to notice an unusual increase in road noise, such as a constant humming or rumbling sound, it is worth considering that your tires may be reaching the end of their useful life. New tires with sufficient tread depth will generally provide a smoother and quieter ride, helping to enhance your overall driving experience. In summation, paying attention to the performance and handling of your vehicle is essential for safe and comfortable driving. If you experience decreased grip and traction, longer braking distances, or increased road noise, it may be time to replace your tires. By doing so, you can ensure optimal performance, improved handling, and most importantly, maintain your safety on the road. Safety concerns. Ensuring the safety of your vehicle is crucial, and one important aspect to consider is the condition of your tires. Over time, tires can wear out and become less effective at providing the necessary grip and stability on the road. In this section, we will explore the safety concerns that arise when it's time to replace your tires. Increased risk of blowouts. When your tires are worn out and nearing the end of their lifespan, the risk of experiencing a blowout increases significantly. This occurs when the tire structure weakens, leading to a sudden loss of pressure and potentially causing the tire to burst while driving. A blown-out tire can result in a jarring experience, loss of control over your vehicle, and even accidents. To avoid such dangerous situations, it is essential to monitor the condition of your tires regularly and replace them when necessary. Reduced vehicle stability. Worn-out tires can compromise the stability of your vehicle, especially in adverse weather conditions. As tires age, their tread depth decreases, reducing their ability to maintain traction on wet or slippery surfaces. This can result in longer stopping distances, increased chances of skidding or sliding, and a loss of control over your vehicle. By replacing your tires at the appropriate time, you can ensure that your vehicle remains stable and responsive, providing you with a safer driving experience. Decreased fuel efficiency. Did you know that worn-out tires can also impact your vehicle's fuel efficiency? As tires wear down, their rolling resistance increases. This requires more power from the engine to keep the car in motion. This extra energy consumption translates into reduced fuel efficiency and increased costs at the pump. By replacing your tires on time, you can help maintain optimal fuel efficiency and save money in the long run. So, as we see, keeping an eye on the safety concerns associated with your tires is crucial for a safe and enjoyable driving experience. From the increased risk of blowouts to reduced vehicle stability and decreased fuel efficiency, these factors can significantly impact your safety on the road. Be sure to inspect your tires regularly and replace them when needed to ensure a smooth and secure journey. Tire maintenance and care. Proper tire maintenance and care are crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your tires. By following a few simple steps, you can maximize the lifespan of your tires and ensure your safety on the road. In this section, we will discuss 3 essential aspects of tire maintenance: regular inspections, rotating tires, and proper inflation. Regular inspections. Regular inspections are the cornerstone of tire maintenance. By visually assessing your tires on a routine basis, you can identify any potential issues and address them promptly. Here are a few key areas to focus on during your inspections. Tread depth. Check the depth of your tire treads doing the penny test or using a tread depth gauge. See that the tread depth meets the minimum legal requirements and consider replacing tires that show excessive wear. Uneven wear. Inspect your tire's tread for signs of uneven wear. Uneven wear patterns may indicate alignment or suspension problems, which can lead to premature tire wear. If you notice any irregularities, consult a professional for further evaluation. Damage and cracks. Look for any visible damage or cracks on the tire sidewalls. These can weaken the tire structure and increase the risk of a blowout. If you discover any significant damage, it's crucial to have the tire inspected by a professional and replaced if necessary. Rotating tires. Rotating your tires is an important maintenance practice that helps distribute the wear more evenly among all 4 tires. By regularly rotating your tires, you can extend their lifespan and maintain consistent performance. Here's why tire rotation is essential. Even wear. Due to variations in weight distribution and driving conditions, tires tend to wear unevenly. Rotating them at regular intervals ensures that each tire gets a chance to bear different loads and wear patterns, resulting in more even wear. Extended lifespan. By promoting even wear, tire rotation can significantly extend the lifespan of your tires. This not only saves you money in the long run but also ensures that you get the most out of your tire investment. Improved handling. Unevenly worn tires can negatively impact your vehicle's handling and stability. By rotating your tires, you can maintain balanced traction and ensure optimal performance on the road. Proper inflation. Properly inflating your tires is vital for both your safety and the longevity of your tires. Underinflated or overinflated tires can lead to various issues, including reduced fuel efficiency, increased tire wear, and compromised handling. Here's why proper inflation matters. Optimal performance. The correct tire pressure ensures that your tires make proper contact with the road, allowing for optimal traction, braking, and handling. This enhances your vehicle's overall performance and safety. Improved fuel conservation. Tires that are underinflated increase rolling resistance, resulting in decreased fuel efficiency. Keeping tires properly inflated can maximize your vehicle's fuel economy and save money on fuel. Longer tire lifespan. Overinflated or underinflated tires wear out faster and unevenly. Maintaining the recommended tire pressure helps distribute the load evenly, reducing unnecessary wear and extending the life of your tires. Check your tire pressure regularly using a trustworthy tire pressure gauge and refer to your vehicle manufacturer's recommended inflation levels. Remember to check the tire pressure when the tires are cold for accurate readings. Proper tire maintenance and care, including regular inspections, tire rotation, and proper inflation, are essential for maximizing the lifespan and performance of your tires. By adhering to these practices, you can ensure your safety on the road, save money in the long run, and enjoy a smooth and reliable driving experience. In conclusion, knowing when it's time to replace your tires is very important for your safety and the optimum performance of your vehicle. By regularly inspecting the tread depth, looking for signs of wear and tear, and keeping track of the age of your tires, you can make an informed decision about when to replace them. Remember, it's always better to be proactive and replace your tires before they become a safety hazard. Investing in high-quality tires and maintaining them properly will not only ensure your safety on the road but also enhance your driving experience. So, don't wait until it's too late. Prioritize tire maintenance and replacement to keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos.